Chief Minister, when I said is fat but is not fit, on I believe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah, दोन दिसान I think he's going to answer almost 60 portfolios. So you can imagine he has to give us time. Every department requires time. Today there were 3 departments. I spoke, say for instance, for 40 minutes. So how much time will you speak when you have 30 portfolios?
मेटलो को दिसता टाइम
मेटलो न्हू हिंगा रावपा पडले 2 वरांचे पासून सकाळीचे उलयतले मरे उलोवपाकूय येयले ना आमी उलोवपा मेळना जाल्यार मागीर आमी कितें आहा
एकदा जाला न्हू 3 जाले एकदा ती
ना सकाळ 7 पासून जायते भूमिपुत्र बिल हाडो मरे तेमी सकाळ 3 बिल हाडपाचें
You mentioned that a green cess was not been paid from 2013. So why opposition was silent on this?
See, I was not an MLA boss in 2013. For your influence, I was flying in 2013. So why opposition was silent? Who was the opposition at that time? You asked. Most of the opposition at that time is now in the ruling. So you ask them only. You ask the ruling. You have to ask 2013 who was ruling? The BJP. So you question them. Who was there? Manohar Parrikar. Manohar Parrikar brought the act. Ask Manohar Parrikar if you can.
पण विजय बाब तुका दिसता की हे पैसे येतले रिकवर करतले
100% येवपाकूच जाय मरे अरे हे पयशे कित्याक येवपा नाका
पण रिकवर सरकार करतलो काय नवो क्वेश्चन
रिकवर नाला वी विल टेक देम टू कोर्ट 100% वी विल टेक देम टू कोर्ट रिकवर करप ना म्हणजे कितें हाऊ कॅन यू से यू कॅनॉट रिकवर दिस इज द ड्यू नो अरे आमी वास्कोकारांनी फकत कोळसो हावपू दूड हावप आमी सगळे हे हाडलो कित्याक हे हो कायदो कित्याक हाडलो कित्याक 0.5% आनी तुगे लायसन्स रिन्यू करूं जाय तूं बायका लायसन्स टॅक्सी जाल्यार तूं टॅक्स हारिको नासतना हें कोता तें मिटर सांगलो पळय मिटर घालपाक गोड्यार मोविनान एक मायकलान सांगलो मोविना घान भोंव गोड्यार मिटर घान भोंव तें मिटर बोन टॅक्स हारिको नाल्यार दिताले ते हारिकोनू जाय न्हू बारीक जनता लायटी बील तूं हारिको ना जाल्यार तुगे बंद कोराय ते सो आय फील इट इज अ sorry state of affairs. It's a complete failure of administration. You can see ministers are not answering. I as a young boy watched several assembly debates in this house. At that time very few instances the chief minister would stand and answer. It was always the minister, but here the chief minister is the chief minister, the chief minister, the chief minister, MLA, chief minister, speaker, chief minister, deputy speaker, chief minister, everything. Today he is trying to act everything. It shows that there is failure. It's an administrative failure.
So last question.
आणि अनेक गजाल तुम्ही जेन्ना लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन म्हणून तुम्ही मिटींग घेतलेली ऑपोजिशन सगळ्या पार्ट्यांची सो आता 2 वीक जाले असेंब्लीचे आणि 1 वीक उरला सो तुम्ही त्यांना म्हटलेले कोऑर्डिनेशन जावपाक जाय म्हणून तुमकां दिसता आता तुमचे मध्ये कोऑर्डिनेशन आसा
No, see, I'll tell you one instance. For instance, what is the coordination for? To put questions, correct? Coordination was to put questions strategically. The questions were shared. Other political parties have shared the same questions. If you see, political parties, when you say have shared the same questions with the Congress party on every single day, that is not strategy. What is it? You see, questions have been shared. Today, calling attentions also have been shared. So, it is a strategy within the opposition. The ruling felt like na सगळे कांय जावपा नाय सुसेगाद opposition एको नाय. If you can see everyone at the end of it has to fight for the state. That is our role. We cannot be neutral as empires and come and I did this and keep our egos. For me, I study my stuff. I come well prepared. The other opposition MLAs also study. Everyone are coming well prepared. Not a single opposition member is not prepared. See, they are very well briefed. They are studying, coming, questioning the government. So that is the role of a thing, and it is a healthy democracy, So it is our right. So they have to only give us an opportunity.
So rent-a-cab should be scrapped.
No, rent-a-cab license holders and permit holders, as per जे पडटे मी franchisee under leave and license agreement, जे पडटे मी केला, that is a fraud in several cases. That has to be examined. And action has to be taken when it is not legally proper. As per Motor Vehicle Act, the 10th appendix of MV Act relating to rent-a-cab clearly states कि permit holder and license holder हो एक आसपाक जाय आनी बारीकशे 50 cabs minimum 51 owner. How many people own 50 cars today? एकलो मोडगो एकलो पुष्कल मो आहलो till 2012. For quite some time in the state of Goa. Then how in 2018 it went to 1,000 odd. And this busy transport minister has made it 6,200. So this is a fact. So who has done it? It is in his hand. They know it. And rent a cab alago accident जाता मग कोण सांगता? मुखेलमंत्री सांगता. So he has to take action.
अनेक आमी पळयता ह्या हावजान ते म्हणजे की जे मेजर क्वेश्चन्स असता जितून रुलिंगेन घातलेले आसा आनी तेंचे जेन्ना क्वेश्चन येवपा आसता तेन्ना ते एबसेंट रावता.
ना ती स्ट्रॅटेजी न्हू तेंगेली. ती स्ट्रॅटेजी तेंगेली प्रायव्हेट मेंबर्स रेझोल्युशन न्हू देर सेवरल केसीस कालच्या दिसाकूय मागीर मोदे येताय आतां हांगा आयको येयला रुदॉल्फ बॉर्न नाल्लो मग दोतोर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी तेगेले विजयन घेवन थिंग गेलो चोयली मागीर रुदॉल्फूय बरो आहलो दोतोर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी बरो आहलो. सो ते कितें जाता तें तुमकां कोटा पीपल आर वॉचिंग. They are trying to take benefit of the 33 brute majority, but whatever we have in our thing, we are fighting for the state.
इवन जो कसिनो क्वेश्चन आसलो तेजेर मायकल लोबो एबसेंट रावलो.
See, no, 100% people are watching that particular thing. Casino जावं टुरिस्ट हेजेर पासून टुरिजमाचेर पासून क्वेश्चन आसलो तेजो हिंगा एबसंट रावलो आहाय. त्या लोकांक कळट न्हू कित्या एबसंट रावले कित्या येताय कित्या येनाय. So this is for the people to decide. I don't want to comment on that person.
ओके थँक्यू